There are products out there in the building industry that come out, and when I see them, I don't really understand the point, or I think they are overkill. I will admit I felt that way when I first saw the smart leak detectors. But then I was building a house for a homeowner who had one on a different house that he owned, and he told me a story. He had the Mow and Flow smart leak detector on a house he owned in another state. And because he wasn't there, the detector was set to notify him if it thought more water was being used than should be used, and to shut the water off to the house if this happened. As it turns out, one time he gets a notification that there is too much water being used at the house, but he knows there's nobody there. So he thinks it's a glitch. He restarts it, only to get the notification again a minute later. This time he leaves the water shut off, sends somebody over that takes care of the house for him, who determines there was a busted pipe in the house. So this was a case that the $500 to $1,000 he spent on this Mow and Flow leak detector saved him thousands of dollars on a plumbing leak. So I became a believer after hearing that story. I have done a few of them, and now they are going to be a standard issue item on the homes that my company builds. What is a smart leak detector? It's just a unit that goes on the supply line of the water line to the house. So the supply water line is the water that comes from your water meter into your house. We put shutoff valves in all of our homes in the garages so that our customers, should there be some big water leak in the house, a fixture breaks or something like that, they can just run right into the garage and shut off the water to their house themselves without having to run out to the water meter. Sometimes those water meters that are out in the ground fill up with dirt and things like that. Plus, you need a water meter tool to even turn them off. So these are just a super convenient way to have the valve in the garage. But we are now putting in these smart leak detectors, which are these little boxes that gauge how much water is being used. And like a lot of products these days, they have an app so you can have them connected to your phone and send you notifications. So, because they're smart, they can learn what your water usage habits are. So, if it's the middle of the night and you are always sleeping, never using water on your house, and now you have gone out of town and you're getting alerts in the middle of the night that thousands of gallons of water are being used at your house when nobody is there, that's probably a good indication there's something wrong. And this unit either can automatically shut off the water or you can manually shut it off yourself. So that's what a smart leak detector is. I think they are a great investment, and we're doing them in all of our homes now.